Learning never stops on Roombr, even without an internet connection. In this video, we're diving into Roombr's offline mode and its incredible features. First, make sure you've downloaded the Roombr desktop app on your Windows or Mac system. Offline mode is exclusively available on the desktop app. Roombr's offline mode enables you to access your Roombr account even when you're offline, ensuring uninterrupted teaching and learning. In offline mode, you can do so much. You can start and record physical class sessions, access recorded, edited, and guest user videos, edit your recorded sessions, play the recorded files, and even use the whiteboard. But wait, there's more. You can also log in as a guest user. A guest user is someone who doesn't have a Roombr account but wants to start and record a session. Recordings made as a guest user will be available in the guest user tabs of all teachers. They can edit and publish these recordings later. And that's it. With Roombr's offline mode, teaching and learning can continue seamlessly, no matter the circumstances.
Roombr.